Hello everyone and welcome to HooplaKidz How To. Today we are going to be making some absolutely delicious looking Play-Doh donuts. Now they may look scrumptious, but remember, you can't eat them. For this you're going to need all different colours of Play-Doh. You're also going to need a Play-Doh rolling pin and a pencil. Remember, as always, you can use whatever different colours you like. The first thing we're going to do is to create a rainbow donut. But first we need to make the actual body. This is the donut. Make this out of yellow Play-Doh. Put a pencil in the middle so that we get the hole correct. Isn't it looking yummy already? Once you're happy with the shape of the donut, set it aside. And now it's time to make the rainbow topping. Roll a really long, thin bit of red, then follow with orange. A bit more yellow, then some green. Now some blue, and some purple. Finish off with pink. Now we want to take our rolling pin and roll them all together. This is going to create an awesome layer for the top of our donut. Place it on top and then wrap the edge around the donut. Yum! Now we need to poke the pencil down the middle so that we get the hole. And that's it! Now I'm going to make a different flavoured donut. I'm going to make one with sprinkles. I'm making the base out of light brown. And then I'm going to roll out some white Play-Doh flat. I'm going to use the pencil to make the edge squiggly. And then fold it up. See? It looks like the icing is dripping down the edge of the donut. Make sure you can see the hole. Now we're going to take the excess rainbow Play-Doh from before and make our sprinkles. Use a little bit of every colour and put tiny dots all over the top of our vanilla icing. Super cute! Looking good! Now I think I'll make a chocolate donut. Make the base out of light brown. And when you're happy, take some dark brown Play-Doh and roll it flat. Just like we did with the white icing, we're going to place our donut on top. Trace around it, and then use the pencil to add detail. Again, we want to make sure it looks like it's dripping down the sides. And finally, our last donut. I'm going to make bright pink icing for this. I'm going to use exactly the same technique as I have with every other donut. Make sure the icing is dripping down the sides. Smooth down the edges, and then place it on top. Delicious! Finally, I'm going to add some white sprinkles. I'm making these sprinkles a bit longer though. Cute, huh? Why not add some green as well? And there you have it. Play-Doh donuts. They're so good you can eat them. But don't forget, you can't. So thank you very much for watching HooplaKidz How To, everyone. If you have enjoyed this video, please do let us know in the comment box below. Why don't you send us some pictures of your donuts? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and we'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye!